Let me teach you the easiest way to make cornrows as a beginner. You do not need any other tutorial after watching this video. I'm going to be showing you how to make cornrows the easy way in less than 1 hour, while I also give you some history lessons about the history and origin of cornrows. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Peace, and let's get started. Start with freshly washed and moisturized hair. You're going to start by parting your hair into the desired size that you're going to be working with. For a beginner, I will always advise that you start with big sections. Do not go with tiny sections. That way it will be easier for you to grab the hair. If you can, please use an edge control to make your lines appear smoother and clearer, as I am doing in this video. Now let's get started. Fetch a portion of hair and divide into 3 sections, 3 tiny sections, and use your index finger as I am going. You're going to be going from left to right. Underneath, as you can see, place the left index finger under and then cross. Place the right index finger under and cross. As simple as that. As you go forward, make sure to fetch more hair, grab more hair as you move downwards, okay, so that it will look like a corn. The idea is to make it look like a corn, the way corn appears. Just use your right index finger and go underneath, then use the left index finger and cross underneath. That's how. Very simple. As you go forward, make sure to check that the line is straight and clear by taking out every tiny strand that might get into the way. You can also add extensions, as I am adding in this video, to make it look more beautiful and stylish. If this is your first time of making cornrows, don't worry, you'll get used to it. Practice makes perfect. I didn't start like this. It was not as easy as this, but as I moved forward, as I continued, I became used to it. I believe that every Afro girl should know how to make cornrows. Cornrows is one hairstyle that I believe that everyone should know how to make. Everybody like this video, give this video a like. Also share this video to as many girls out there. If this is your first time watching me, please subscribe to my channel. I make very easy tutorials like this, and you will not regret it. Now let's head over to our history class for today. I'm going to be telling you and sharing with you the origin of cornrows. So cornrows originated in Africa, with the earliest depictions dating back to Stone Age paintings in the Sahara Desert around 3000 BC. The style was designed for Afro-textured hair and held deep cultural significance in various African societies, signifying age, tribe, marital status, or social rank. Cornrows also served as a means of communication and escape for enslaved Africans in the Americas. Okay, cornrows were a protective style for enslaved Africans, designed for their hair texture to protect it from damage and moisture loss. Also, during the transatlantic slave trade, cornrows were used to create messages and maps to aid in escape. Seeds and grains were also hidden in the braids for nourishment during escape missions. So that's it. That's our history class for today. I am done with this, and I'm just styling with edge control, and I'm good to go. This hairstyle, you can take this hairstyle for as long as 1 to 2 weeks before changing it. Hope you learned something from this video today. If you do, kindly give this video a like. Again, subscribe to the channel, share this video to other girls out there, drop your comments in the comment section, and let me know your questions. I am open to all questions, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.